Yes, I'm going to have to probably change the pictures and all that crap on Restream. Give me a second. Diamond Day with Coach. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Should be live. Yep, we are. Okay, good. All right, moderators, let me know. We should be up on all the things in a moment. And just so everybody knows, we're working on the back end right now to bring you something amazing for the launch of our Platinum program. We'll discuss that more on Monday. But don't hold your breath. Is anybody in this room using our TradingView indicators? Should be every Diamond VIP Gold member. Okay. We may or may not have TradingView Indicators 4.0 being released next week. Shh. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody about it, though. We're going to keep it between us, all right? Even though we're on the internet. Is anybody excited about that, or you guys just don't care and you just want us to tear it down and remove all TradingView indicators? Oh, okay, okay, there we go. There we go. There's a little bit of excitement we've been waiting for. Blake, did I just hear you in here? Maybe. Blake? No? Okay. I thought I heard him. He's got like 47 kids. So I wanted to make sure that he got my directions yesterday. Did anybody do what I said yesterday and go open up those Trump accounts? Did you guys see that you get $1,000 free for each child up to X age? I sent the link yesterday. Was it not in that link? I think it's live because I saw that over 1 million people signed up yesterday. Did anybody else sign up or try? It says they're not open until July 5th. Oh, so that must just be everybody doing the pre-stuff. Okay, because they said over 1 million people had already put in for it. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. You'd be a fool not to do that. Give me a break. Yeah, it's amazing. They said if you put, 1,000, right, when they're born, and you can do up to, I believe, don't quote me, but it's 5,000 a year. They said that would be over $500,000 for your child by the time they're 21. Yeah. Tell me that wouldn't set them up for success. How would you like that, parents, so they're not mooching off you for like cell phone bills and right? They said this generation lives off their parents' phone lines and stuff. How would you like to do that, parents, so you don't have them living on your cell phone plans for the next 80 years? Correct. Yeah, by the time they retire, this is the crazy part. They said by the time they retire, if all you had was the original $1,000 that they give you for free, that would be worth hundreds of thousands, if not $1 million. Yeah. Right. But well, I want you guys to think about that. $1,000 free dollars And by the time your kid retires, they're set up, right? I don't know if you guys know this or not, but the average American retires with about $168,000. Your kid would have more than the average American for free. Didn't cost you a penny. Listen when I speak in the room. Run, don't walk. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Correct. Yeah, it's not liquid. Yeah, exactly. That's just their net worth, right? Which is crazy. So again, bye-bye. Shouldn't have to tell you every day if you're a responsible parent, you're not in here anymore. Right now you're running to like, oh crap, what do I gotta, where do I gotta go? And if you're lazy though, you're just sitting there still staring. So, or if you don't like your kids, maybe you don't. I don't know. Maybe you don't like your kids. What do I know? Yeah, no judgment. If you don't like your kids, okay, ain't got nothing to do with me. But if you don't like your kids, you probably want to make sure you go get that because then you don't have to take care of that kid that you don't like forever. Am I right? Huh? Right. Right? If you hate your kid, you better sign up. And if you love your kid, you better sign. I mean, come on, man. Yeah, did you want that or not? I'm just saying, bye. People will say, it's funny, Richard, I will say this every day, and people will still sit there and literally do nothing about it. It's the craziest thing. It's the craziest thing. Oh, I don't want to click that button and fill out a form 4786 or whatever they want from the government to give me $1,000 for free for my kids so they never have to worry about anything. I'm not doing that. There ain't no way I'm doing that. A whole form? Get out of here. Come on. Oh, goodness gracious. Hey, maybe if... What about it? Oh, I got you. Yeah, would it? Maybe. I mean, it could be. We'll see at the time when it happens, right? Yeah, we don't know because the government's actually never helped in any way. We don't know. This has never been done before. They've never gave a crap. Am I right? When's the last time anybody's been able to have something like that? Social Security was the last time, right? And they did a great job with that. But I mean, that people are still getting it. That's the last time I've seen any type of assistance for a family or anybody that wasn't some sort of, got my hands in your pocket type of crap. Right? That's nice. So anyways, congratulations to all of you parents. I wish we would have had this stuff, right? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? Come on. So again, I'll ask you, there are 200 people in the room. You can go ahead and open your microphones. How many of you went over there when I said and started doing your research? 200 people better open your microphones, I swear. Thank you. Thank you. Tell them to get on the ball, right? Good job. Good job. Nice work. Anyways, so that's nice. Oh, good job. I see you guys over on YouTube. Excellent. Excellent. Listen, there it is. Newly created IRS form. I was off. I said 4687. It was 4547. I was close. I I knew the numbers. I saw them. I'm like, I couldn't remember it, but there you go. Thank you, Panther. Grr, Panther. I know it. I really haven't, but I do have my McDonald's Diet Coke. We do have cleaning service in here today, so I've got my headphones on, and if you see people like they won't come in my office because I've got this all closed up. But if you see people running around, you'll know why. All right, again, today, thank you all for being here. Let me thank my moderators real quick. By the way, it's a diamond party all day. Diamond party all day. Congratulations to all of you diamond members. Today is the last chance you'll ever have to be able to get one. Do 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 do. I'm so glad to retire that program. Okay, it was such a losing proposition for me. Okay, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Baum, Coles, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all of my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. It is now 9:12. We've got about 17 minutes to the bell, exactly 17 minutes to the bell. If you guys want to sign up or join us for anything, including our free Discord, go to our website, American Dream Trading. Click the only button you see on the screen. We make it real easy for you. Real easy as one click. Oh, that's too hard. Where do I go? Well, where do you think you would go? What's the name of the company and where do you think you would go? Come on, the internet's been out since what? 1977? Come on, people. Talk to me. Come on. All right, real quick. SPY, let's go ahead and chart this out. Previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, pre-market low, done. Next, Apple. Again, it should take you no longer than about 4 minutes to completely set up for your day. Your trading day should not take longer than about 9 minutes if you're a quick scalper. You're done for the day. Total under 15 minutes. You should be done for the day. Previous day high, previous day low. Pre-market high already marked and pre-market low done. Tesla. Coach, it's so much work to prepare and Fibonacci retracements and all the cat lady stuff that I must talk about first. None of that. They're done. Tesla done. We'll do another one. Let's do the Qs. Qs, there's your high, there's your low. There's your high, there's your low, and we're done. Everybody been following along? Is everybody charting with me? Okay, great. Is there any other ones we want to chart? Sure. Soxel, good call on that. Good call. Ooh, this one's way up here. There's your high. And your low. Let me get rid of this and this and this. Goodbye. Pre-market high and low and done. That's it. Was that hard? Anybody? Oh, easily, right? And that's with me talking and goofing around, right? I mean, come on. Remember the rule. You guys should not be looking at more than 1 to 5 charts anyways, right? On any typical day, you'll always see I have 2 to 3, no more than that ever, right? Yeah, I could make it look all fancy. I have 87 monitors at home. I could put, right, all these trading view monitors up, or like like that one guy where you see him, he always walks into his closet and he's got a bunch of old TVs with like all of this stuff and he's just running around calling out stuff. The internet is full of so much flim-flammy, skim-scammy, weirdo crap. It's hilarious. Hilarious. Yeah, let me put up 87,000 charts, right? It looked like a ding-dong talking about all of it. And there's SPY. Oh, it's over. Oh, gold, apple. I know. It's just silly. Come on. 1 to 5 charts. 1 to 5 charts. You don't need any more than that, ladies and gentlemen. Please stop with the nonsense, right? I promise you, if you put a Borland exhaust sticker, right, a NOS sticker on your car, it's not going to go faster. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, great. All right. I know it. I know you guys thought it looked cool. Right? I know you did. uh, that's true. You could be right on that. I could be completely wrong. Completely wrong. I appreciate you. Thank you for that helpful insight. We got about 12 minutes to go. Last chance. Oh, okay. Let's talk about the news, by the way. Everybody's like, oh, what happened, right? New Fed announcement, new person, all that. By the way, that none of that has anything to do with the market moving. Mark, my own Mark, you've been asking. Yesterday, there was big tariff news is what caused this entire market weird out. That's it. So, yeah, that's it. Did everybody hear, right? I can't remember what it was now, but I quickly saw it. Okay, great. Glad we're all on the same page. Yes, I saw that. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Right? Let's get that other bum out of here. Beat it. Go away, dude. You were just trash. So, it is what it is. I saw Bitcoin dip back down to 82. What did we have on this run? It went from last time it hit 82, and I said, hey, 82 is a real nice price. It went from what, 82 to 98? 99 on that last run? Was that correct? Okay, great. Anyways. It's going to be another amazing day today. So again, we're looking at seeing if we can get those trading view indicators next week. Don't hold me to that, but that's something that we're looking at. All right. So we'll see if we can do that. Everybody that's watching right now, to feed the algorithm, do me a favor, double tap those screens, click the share button, and make sure you are following. Anybody that is in my room right now with me, today is your last day to get your Diamond Lifetime membership. Does everybody have one now? I made it as easy as freaking possible for you all to get one. We were splitting cards. We were doing payment plans. We were reducing prices. We were going ridiculous to make sure you guys were in there. Does everybody have one now? Are you all set? Okay, great. Well, wait, what did I give you last time? I got you. Well, listen. Yeah. I got you, Papa Dot. You're always in here. Listen, man. You're always in here. Am I right? Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Well, let's just fix it. Let's fix it. Let's just fix it. That's what we do. Let's just fix it. Everybody, right? Let's fix it. Yeah. No. You're not almost there. You're there. All right, everybody listen up. This is the last day you can get this, right? This is it. How about we kick off the Diamond Party by giving Papa Dot a lifetime Diamond membership today valued at $5,000, worth $70,000 worth of membership services. How about we do that? Yes. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, it's only $5,000. What's $5,000 amongst friends? You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you. I got you, Papa Dot. Listen, everybody in the room. You're very welcome. Yeah, you're very welcome, man. Listen, I want everybody to find success, right? And it might, Diamond, some of you that might open the doors. I mean, look at what F2 did with it, right? He went from losing every year to making his first $1 million within 8 months of getting a Diamond membership. Results not guaranteed, legal, all the stuff. But sometimes taking that leap of faith, sometimes investing in yourself, sometimes when you're like, this is it, I'm going for it, right? Sometimes that's the move that changes it. So if you've been thinking about it, or you've been on the fence, do it. What are you waiting for, man? This is your sign. You're not going to have this opportunity again. You keep staring off into outer space like, well, maybe, should I? Are you kidding? Do you know what we're doing in here every day? Do you realize we are the only community doing what we're doing? And I know some of you have tried to veer off, and it's funny because you'll disappear for a couple months and then you'll come back. Hey, I'm back. Yeah, I know what you were doing. You were trying to dip your toes in the cat lady water. You got your asses burned and now you're back. It happens all the time. I get it. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for being a real one. So I want you guys to think about it, right? And I know some of you have. Listen, those of you that have, I mean, there's nothing wrong with, checking out and seeing what's, looking over the fence. Is there anything going on over there? Is anybody doing what we're doing? You guys have seen everything on the internet. You've seen every program for sale. You've seen every membership that's out there. You've seen, right, all the kids with the Lambos and all the things. You've seen all the stuff they're trying to use to get you in there. Is there anybody doing what American Dream is doing and consistently? No. I'm telling you, man, it's rough out there. It's murky waters. Just stop running around going, well, I don't know. I don't know which one. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. We're here every day. We're here every single day. You see the lives we change. You see how many people we've retired. You see the hundreds of millions in profits not confirmed, having what's tech with brokerages and legal and all the stuff. You've seen the stories. You see the people coming through. You know the things that's happening, right? So I don't know what we're waiting for. Let's get to work. Listen, if the diamond is not right for you, don't worry about it. It's free over here at American Dream Trading to try us out. Check out the things, get into education, flashcards, ebooks, games, how-to videos. I've got I'm telling you, here's what's funny. Our free area has more than anybody else's paid area, minus a couple people. But I'm not exaggerating. I'm not kidding. The first thing I built when I started American Dream Trading is that entire education center. That was the first thing, right? That took me over 100 hours to compile, put all the things together, create all those channels. I'm telling you right now, we have more free education than anywhere else you're going to pay for any membership. Every little kid that you keep saying, we have 2 mentorships available and you can be in these calls twice a week and all this other BS, man, come on, they're a little kid. You guys want to get trained and educated by a little kid in his mom's basement who's getting ready to go work at McDonald's in about 2 hours for his next shift? Nothing wrong with working at McDonald's, but I'm just saying, is that who you want? Is that really what you want? A part-time person for a full-time job? Come on. We're here all freaking day, man. Click the button. Do the things. Stop waiting. Quit goofing around. Moderators, let me know as these Diamond members come in. Who knows? Listen, if we get enough Diamond members today, maybe we'll spin the wheel of cash. We'll see. Get out of here. Are you serial? Dude, that's awesome. That is absolutely incredible. Listen, do you have the ADT journal yet? You do now. You do now, birthday boy moderators. Boom. Boom. That's awesome. Well, we're going to also give you the trading view indicators. So, first year moderators, because otherwise it's going to freak out and do all the things, right? Because it's not a lifetime for that. So, first year is on me. Sound good, partner? Happy birthday. You're welcome. Now listen, man, nobody get in trouble. Okay, I don't want anybody getting in trouble about what we're doing in here. Everybody be cool now. All right. Thank you. Did you say you're going to get the lifetime? I got you. No worries. Listen, do you know how to open up a ticket, Peb? Because we can get you going. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Listen, worst case, I mean, we'll walk you all the way through it. Don't worry about it. We got you locked in. If you guys are having any technical difficulties or you need help, just open up a ticket, right? We have no problem walking you through it, showing you how, right? We can literally take a Zoom call, whatever you need to do, anybody that's in the room. I mean, that's the difference. This is what I'm saying. There's 20 of us standing by. If any of you have questions about our membership today, before you're like, well, I don't know if I want to pull the trigger. What does it mean? We will schedule an actual live call with you today. Open up a ticket. You're like, well, I don't know what that Diamond Lifetime membership means. Open up a ticket. We will literally have a conversation with you today. These are real people here, right? Now, remember, we're not going to send you a friend request. We don't DM you. So if you get any of that crap today or ever, you know that's not us. A minute to the bell. You know that's not us. But I'm just saying, whatever you need, we are here. We're always here. Yes. Yes. It's amazing. Amazing. I tell you what, this is what we'll do today. And we got 45 seconds. Listen, let's do this. If we sell 10 Diamond Lifetime memberships today, listen to the sound of my voice. I'm going to change somebody's life literally forever. If we sell 10 Diamond Lifetime memberships today, we will pick one person. A minimum of 10 has to be sold today. But we will pick one person to spin the wheel of cash. Listen to the sound of my voice. We've never done this before. Are you ready? For a chance to win up to $10,000. Do you understand me? So because this is the last day, Diamond Blowout. Let's make somebody's dream a reality. Let's have some fun today. Do the things. Moderators, let us know when new Diamond members come in. I know the market is opening right now. So again, if we can sell at least 10 of those Diamond memberships today, one person we will pick out of that, we'll trade it like a lotto, will get a chance to win up to $10,000. Let's rock and roll today. Appreciate you. Love your faces. That'd be a hell of a start, wouldn't it? Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh, well, that's because I was late. All right, everybody, here we go. Remember, nobody go rogue today. Make sure you follow all of the rules. Nobody get crazy on me. You hear me? Okay, great. SPY, let's see what SPY's doing. SPY's trying to break this pre-market high area. Wait for that break and hold those 693. Don't get all excited, jump the gun, and then be like, oh, no, right? Don't do that. You already know it's going to be sketch up there, right? It's a double top. That is correct. It's listening to us, right? It's listening to the sound of my voice. Apple in the pre-market hit that 259.75, pulled back to, what do you know? Exactly yesterday's low. Crazy. SPY continuing to pull back here. Let's see what this wants to do. And as always, by the way, I am always live trading with a real account in front of all of your faces. Right, exactly. It's like, well, I guess that's what we're going to do from now on. I love it. Appreciate all of you. It's been an amazing 3.5 years, by the way. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been here and through all the things and our memberships and things that we've done and new mentors and training programs and after hours and breakout rooms and Saturday sessions, workshop classes, mastermind classes. I mean, we have done everything to try to get you more and more education, and we will continue to strive for more and better and better and better. Appreciate you. Apple to the downside. That is a 6-star trade, 2-minute EWO to the downside. Makes sense. Apple had one of its greatest earnings it's ever had in the history of Apple. So that makes sense. It's completely tanking today. Not. So crazy. I posted the numbers. It was ridiculous how much Apple made. Oh my gosh. They were up on sales across the entire board for every product they had, minus one that was like minus 2%. Everything else was like 16% blowout. And then they're down today. Buy the rumor, sell the news though, right, ladies and gentlemen? That's what that is. Rode up to the earnings and then sold off. Am I right? Yes. That's what happened, by the way, in case anybody was. I'm sorry. Go ahead, partner. I'm sorry about all the dings and bloops. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep. All right. I'll take that. That's $1,500. I'll take that. Thanks a lot. Thanks. Oh, everybody look to the sky. It just delivered $1,500. Ready? Thank you. Appreciate you. In under 10 seconds and 4 minutes at the bell, and I'm done for the day if I wanted to be. What did I say? It should not take you over 9 minutes. Am I right? Okay, great. But that doesn't mean leave. That means you better be tuning in and training, right? Thank you. No. Anybody else? You should be. It's showing it's up. There you go, partner. Did you catch that? You're very welcome. Appreciate you. All right, SPY back up here, right? Loitering around 693. SPY bouncing around the 693 area. Pre-market high, 6975. All right, hold on. There we go. Yeah, high. Yeah, there we go. Let's get a nice push over here on SPY. Come on, baby. Let's see what we got. I like these candles. Looking good. See if we can get a little bit of a push. Thank you. So that means, let me take a look. Yep, Tesla also up 2.6%. Watch for that pre-market high that we had marked out right there, though, right? That 428. Everybody be cool around that 428, okay? On Tesla. Thank you. Apple still in that 6-star trade to the downside. Obviously, it's not making lower lows at this point. You want it to stay below that 255.57, right? That's a major area for Apple. But if you guys are a Diamond member, you are over there with David right now, and he's walking you through every second of that trade anyways. Am I right? Psh, he's got you covered over there. Previous day close was 694.04. 694.04 was previous day close. 694 right there. There, close enough. Okay, that's what we're watching for on SPY. Look at that beautiful pullback. Anybody hammer that double top pullback right there? It's a micro double top coming off of this beautiful area. Did anybody hit that? Oh, that was so nice. Nicey nice. I should have, but I'm talking. I'm a full-time trainer. I'm not a full-time trader. Let's see. FAT, we got a runner. FAT, it's up on this double top. FAT, fat. Fat. Fat loots. Fat loots. LOOTZ, fat loots. Check it out. It's 118 million volume with 6 million free float. Average volume is under 1 million. This is 100 times its average volume with a low floater. You know I love those. Am I right? Look. That is wild. Oh, that's why it's making money. Okay. Which it's, yeah, so it's, it depends on which chapter, right? Yeah. You know what's funny? Shareholders love bankruptcies. It really does. Do you guys want to know why? They wash bad debt. Nice. Okay, thank you. Fat Brands halted to the upside. Thank you. Great call out on that. Todd, thank you for the Cash App. I appreciate you, buddy. I seen that. Every week, Todd sends me a Cash App. Todd, did you know you're the only one that does that? Isn't that wild? It's crazy. Appreciate you. That's why it means so much, though. Thank you. I see it every week. Puts a smile on my face every week. You just bought my drinks for today. Thank you. Appreciate you. Very nice. Thank you. Yeah, SPY, we're looking to break this 694.04. Remember, that's going to be its level of resistance, right? Coming up to that. Thank you. Yep, NVIDIA is going from red to green. I'm sorry, go ahead. Thank you. I was just going to say, check Soxel if you see NVIDIA running right. Beautiful. SPY coming up on that level of resistance, gang, on that previous day close 694.04. Moderators, let me know as those Diamond Lifetime memberships come in. If we get 10 of those, somebody's going to spin the wheel of cash for a chance to literally change your life in one move. Let's put it this way. If you won the grand prize, right, it's up to $10,000. You will have more than 90% of all Americans can have. or have right now in their savings account. How's that sound? You would have more than 90% of the entire U.S. population, 4 billion plus people, however many we got here now, you would have more than them off of one wheel spin. Right here at American Dream Trading. I know. It's crazy. It's crazy how that works out here. SPY pulling back. Look at it though. If you look at it, it's stair stepping up. Does everybody see how that's actually trending? Soxel continuing to make higher highs. Same with NVIDIA. Nice. FATBB, hot stock pick, Fat BB, Fat Brands. Is that on halt at 943 something, did somebody say? Okay, 943, so 1 minute. All right, thank you. Apple still in that 6-star trade to the downside here. Thank you. Here goes SPY. Let's see if SPY can break and hold below the 21 down here in VWAP. If it does, I'll look at shorting it. Absolutely. And sorry if it goes ding, ding. It's because I have my trading also set up on TradingView and I have audible alerts set up. So when you guys hear that big, loud, and annoying noise, that's just me entering a trade when it goes ding, ding. Was everybody wondering what that noise was? Okay, great. Oh, you guys couldn't hear it? Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens here. SPY. Sitting on VWAP and the 21. Remember, everybody, please listen to me. Remember to wait for the break and hold. Thank you. Don't try to get in there early. SPY on a micro double bottom. Or I'm sorry, Apple. Apple on a micro double bottom. SPY pulled back from previous day close. We were looking at 694.04 is the actual number. It got to 693.71, which is well within our variance of 25 to 40 cents. Boom off resistance, right? Nice. That's nice. All right, looking to see if we're going to get a break below the 21 here. Jeez, that's nuts. Good job. No, I said yesterday's close of day. Did I say yesterday's? Yeah, sorry if I said that wrong. Okay, yep. Nice. By the way, I just got by a member whose name we cannot mention, like Voldemort. He's up so far, and a diamond member, by the way. He's up so far $776,699.10. Yep, very nice. And just so you guys know, that's over $1 million this week. So, how would you like to make over $1 million in 1 week? Results not guaranteed, all the things. Again, my traders do what no other trading community ever has. Period, point blank, don't care. I don't give a crap who you talk to. That's it. Done. Law. Done. Anybody, by the way, does anybody else see any other retail traders in history anywhere making $1 million a week? Anybody? Name one. I'll wait. Anybody? No, you can't. Well, not our names. I'm talking about outside of here. Has anybody ever seen anyone in history outside of American Dream Trading? Because that's pretty normal here now. Anybody outside of American Dream Trading hear of numbers like this? Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Man, that just bounced. I was looking for a little bit more of a pullback down to that 200. Better. Yep, thank you. I better put the stop in here just in case it blows up beyond this level. Protect the trade. Protect the trade. At all times, right, ladies and gentlemen? Spy still squirreling away over here. Bouncing around now on the 9, the 21, and VWAP up there on resistance. Does everybody see how they're all jammed up together? Yep. See if it's got some more pullback here. I was looking for, once it broke VWAP, I was looking for the move to the 200. In case you're wondering why I got in there, it wasn't a whole lot. I should have done it as soon as it broke off this candle here, which would have been right here. So I screwed up the entry, but that was the idea behind it. I'm talking instead of trading properly, right? Stopped out. Oh, did you? Okay, yeah, that's... Oops. Okay, now we're breaking. Let's see. Wait for the break and hold. See if it's going to hold above. If it does, I'll look at entering the trade. Same thing. Thank you. Apple still bouncing around down there. Okay, thank you. Did the fat brands, did that unlock? Is this still... And what did it do? It halted to the downside. Okay, thank you. There we go. Well, that's a nice move. I know, it's crazy, right? Fling, fling. Come on, you're up above VWAP. You got the push. You broke through everything. Come on, you had a beautiful... Oh, I love that candle. Come on. You had a beautiful candle coming out of there. It's just topsy-turvy day. Come on, push it up there. There you go. That's better. That's better. Get up there. Still got room to go. There you go. That's nice. That's nice. Nicey nice. Come on, get up there. It's a beautiful. Thank you. Gosh, man, it just cannot break that spot. Get up there and go. Get up and rip, right? So this right there is resistance. Everybody see it? Same thing over and over and over and over and over and over. Sorry, there's all sorts of cleaning going on in the house. You guys can't hear all that chaos, can you? Okay, just the doorbell. Oh, that went south. Get up there. Bounce off this freaking 9. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Yes, it is. Don't like that spot. Looking to see if it's going to bounce right here. Now I got this 200 left to support. That's about it. The only thing left hanging on. It's just all in this big channel, though. I got greedy up there. Could have taken 1,500 3 times and I held off. I'll have to start quick scalping it a little bit faster in here instead of holding it, looking for a bigger move. Oh my gosh, nice. Yay, one of our members just hit $1 million today. Single day. Nice job. Good job. That's $1 million in a single day. Was that amazing or what? I know, right? Yeah, this. Thank you. Yep, I see it. Thank you, partner. Yeah, that's my last resort over there, right? I've got this 200 here for support, but this thing's just bleeding out. See if we can get a nice push off this area or not. We will see. 955. Yes, and don't forget that person that made $1 million today is a diamond member. Don't forget to go scoop up your diamond memberships. Go, go, chop, chop. What are you waiting for? Here, I just posted it. Here's your sign. I literally just posted it. Here's your sign. Right? Still choppy chop here. Still not really doing a whole lot. The SPY's trying to figure itself out. I don't want to be in this trade anymore, though. I don't like the way that we're... The only reason I'm still sitting in here is because these candles are all still sitting on the 9 and 21, right? There was no... There we go. I was going to say there was no break and hold below that, right? So technically, they're all still the 9 and the 21. Does that make sense? Talk about a battle in that space, though, huh? Still fighting. Apple starting to make a move to the upside now. Apple making a move to the upside. Is anybody seeing anything else running? Is there any hot stock picks making any moves? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let me pull that up. Oops. All right, thank you. Yep, I see it. $6. Love the price. Nice. Thank you. Good call. Thank you. Shift change in 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Did you catch that? SPY is still dancing around this exact same spot. GITS making a move. I know it. It's just flat. Yes. Yeah. Oh, good. There you go. Stretch yourself. Oh, I stopped out. Good job. Good job. Good. Yep, good job. Isn't that crazy? That's awesome. 100%. 100%. It's funny, the last training I had with one of my mentorees, we were talking about it, David, and he's like, David, if all he did was put some zeros behind it, I'm like, I know. I said, I know. He's just not comfortable yet doing it, but I slowly been bringing David up to larger and larger amounts of money. Has anybody noticed that? I'm like, it's time. Like, it's time. It's time. It's time. Because the only difference of David 10xing his account or not is just going larger size, right? That's all. Yeah, yeah. So instead of 3,000 a day, David could be raking 30,000 a day. No pressure. Results not guaranteed. Yep. Well, just remember if you're trading exactly the same with the same risk management, it doesn't matter, right? If it's a million or if it's 10,000. So, well, I mean, yeah, you have to use obviously a larger account size if you're going to keep the same percentages. Yes. Yep. The full weight. Correct. Correct. Yep, that is correct. Well, here's the thing, right? As you're building your account size up, you're able to do that, right? Okay, I got you. Well, just when you're ready, you and I will sit down, right, and get you all squared away, right? Yeah, that's awesome. Yep, that's beautiful. And that is from doing this every day, right? So good job. There was that 200 bounce, by the way. One candle wick through. Look at that. Yeah, yep, got stopped out because I was in a decent size, and then it bounced, and now it's back up to where I originally bought it. Yep, yep. Looks like Jim just got a Diamond Lifetime membership. Congratulations. Nice, nice. Last opportunity, last chance. Today is your last chance to get one, and we're shutting it down tonight at midnight. Gone. No worries, partner. Thank you. Appreciate you. Apple, like I said, making that nice move back to the upside, right? Apple making that nice move back to the upside. Sitting on the 200 now for Apple. Waiting. SPY kind of all bunched together here. Thank you. I was just looking for it. Thank you. He's calling about your car insurance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We want to talk about your car, your warranty, real quick. That was awesome. Right. Tell me. Oh, nice. Good job, Bob. Good job, Bob. Nice, nice. SPY sitting here on that 200. Look at the way the 9, the 21. Look at the way everything is squeezed down to that 200. See it? Isn't it funny? If you look at the 200, it looks like a branch, like a bird sitting on a branch right there, doesn't it? It's crazy. Thank you for all those gifts. I see you all over there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, A1 Contractors, Rasman World. Um, Sorry, I'm trying to read it. Ilian, Bucko, Seven Dust, Balauer. Thank you all. Appreciate you. Okay, good job. SPY is approaching that pre-market high area again. What a battle over here, right? Mm-hmm. I know that's right. David loves Fridays because he gets a heck of a discount price on those premiums for those Apple options he's buying. Am I right, David? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. Yep. Yep, for sure. Yeah, that's awesome. That's beautiful, my friend. Yep. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Nice work. Yes. Yes, go ahead. For sure. Volunteers tribute. Thank you. I appreciate that. We just create a Zoom session to make it easier for everybody, but absolutely. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yes, thank you. I told you, man, we got the best here. The best of the best. Yeah, yeah, it would just be you two in the Zoom session. Yeah. So they'll just open up a ticket. I mean, that's how we do it now. You just open up a ticket. Yeah, we create the Zoom and you two go in there, chit chat, do all the things, and then just close it out and it's done. Yep. Yeah, yeah, we don't do that. Yeah, yeah. Appreciate you. Be glorious. Glorious. Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead. For sure. For sure. Mark, I saw your hand pop up. Go ahead. Yep. Which brokerage are you using for the paper trading? There should be no issue. Just make sure you change the ticker, right? Huh. Yeah, that's strange, partner. Go ahead and open up a ticket with them because there should be no difference. You know what I mean? As long as, yeah, you're in the right account and you have the right. The only thing would be the symbol, right? If you're in futures and trying to trade SPY, it won't work. Or if you're in your regular stocks and options account and you're trying to trade a futures account, it won't work, right? So, but the ticker's correct. Hmm. Okay. All right, partner. Yeah, you're saying maybe he's clicking on the wrong chart assigned to the group of the buy order. That could be. Yeah, that could be, partner. Check that out as well too. Make sure your group number matches your buy order number, right? So, yeah, cuz like my ES chart up here on the top is group 1, which is assigned to group 1 on my buys and sells. See it? Hey, thank you whoever member said that. Great job. Yep, yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. And the other thing you can do too, if you guys ever run into that problem, because that means you are actually selecting, it's trying to buy the wrong thing. So if you guys look at your orders up here, this spot right here is actually what it's trying to buy. Don't look at this, right? It's always right up here. See it? Oh, I do remember that. Yeah, when I was grabbing and copying charts. Yep. 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 Yeah. Remember when I deleted my charts and I was recreating my charts, but it was copying the same group number? And I was like, what the heck? Yeah. I was like, that ain't right. And yeah, it was because it was copying the group number too, right? That's the chart. So good job. Good job, Bob. Yes. If memory serves me correctly, when you go into the memberships, you go in where it says this is the one that you want to refer. You click that link. That's the one you give them. Bruno, if you're in the room. Yep. So, yes, that is correct. So, whichever one you want to give them, you click that link and send that to them. Yep, yep. Yep, yep. They better do it today, right, partner? So, Bruno, isn't it in WAP they click what? Referrals or something? Affiliates? What's it called? Yeah, so on WAP it says affiliates. It looks like a movie ticket. Yep. Yep, yep. And then what, Bruno? Refer buyers? Yep. I know. I don't even know how to do it myself, to be honest with you, everybody, because I've never used it. So then I can see there's the company, and then it must be what? View assets. Okay. So I'm just learning it as we go. Okay, and then I see all the programs right there. Okay, I got it. It says all the products. I got it. And then, and then there's the affiliate links. And then I can copy those and send it to whoever I want. Okay, great. All right. Now that I've got it too, I've never seen it before because I don't send out an affiliate. We already have one. Bruno's already got a video for it. But just to make it real easy, everybody. So when you're on WAP, when you're logged in, click affiliates. Click on where it says American Dream Trading in the company and it says view assets. Then it shows a dashboard. You click refer buyers and then you choose the affiliate link. So it's four things. There you go. Yep. There you go. Hershey, got your hand up, partner. Go ahead. Good. How are you, my friend? Uh-huh. Support. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Well, and remember too, are you including their fees? Because there's a fee for every time you click buy and sell, right? Okay, so it's just paper trading off of just stocks, not options. Okay. All right. The problem with paper trading is there's a massive delay. So by the time you see what you saw when you clicked buy or sell, it's another 20 seconds. So it'll never be right. Ever. Yeah, you just need to know, did I make money or did I not? But it will never be right. Am I right, everybody in the room? It won't matter, partner. Yeah, it won't matter. By the time that thing actually, yeah, by the time it actually simulates a sell and it actually does it and then it calculates it and then 20 seconds later it pops up on the screen, you don't know when it did it. It's always delayed. It's never accurate and never will be. It's more for you to see when your trade, like, I should get out now. Okay, great. But don't rely on the P&L. It should be like, yes, I should sell now. Yes, I should buy now. But that P&L will never be right, and I'd never worry about it anyways. You don't care about a P&L on a paper account, right? Well, it could have worked in the past because maybe the orders were being filled faster. Maybe you were trading a different option that's moving faster. Maybe there's more buy orders in the one you were before, but not this one. Like, there's so many things, right, partner? Yeah. Yeah. Paper trading's it's all over the place, man. It's more for dialing in your mechanics, understanding when to make the trades more than making the money off of it, if that makes sense. Right. Well, we don't get free anything, just so you know. There's nothing free on Weeble. Nothing. Yeah, there's nothing free. Every option we buy costs money. Yep. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. No, everything. Everything. Yes, everything is a fee. Yep. Yeah, everything is a fee. Yeah. When you go to trade, there's always an estimated transaction fee. It doesn't matter. Every single thing, options and futures, they all charge us a buy and a sell. Hold you a spot till the end. I'll hold it till midnight. I got, unless you're saying you need to transfer money out of an account or something, just open up a ticket. Uh, okay, when you click on refer buyers, do you see all the products? Yeah, yeah, you see all the products listed. It says type, product, and then the name and the price, right? All that. It might. I don't know. Bruno, is there a? I don't know. Are you logged in with the correct email? Well, double check it. Make sure. If you're not, you won't see anything. Okay. Top right hand corner, you just say sign out and sign back in and make sure it's the right email. Bruno, does it allow them to see all products to share or only products they own they can affiliate link? Okay, perfect. Perfect. So they can see everything regardless. Okay. There you go, everybody in the room. Now you all know how to do it, right? You'll get it, JP. You got about 8 emails from us, by the way. I got you. Open up a help desk ticket. All right. Is everybody see it though? Affiliates. I would show you mine, but mine is completely different. It's not the same for mine to yours because I have an owner's dashboard. Click the affiliates. You know what? I'll make this easy. Hold on. Watch. Hold on. Everybody, right now. This will take me 2 seconds. Good thing I used to be in IT forever. Right? I'm going to show you guys right now, step by step. I'm posting it in the Traders Lounge now. You'll click that button. Everybody go look. Don't type in anything else. Just look at it. Does everybody see it right there? Okay, good. Let me show you the next step. This is how we used to have to do white papers, by the way. Okay, this is the next step. Hold on, I will show you right now. Here it comes. Step 2. That is step 2. Let me show you the next step. So as soon as you click on view assets, now this is going to be different for you than it will be for me. Sorry, 1 second. Thank you. This is going to look different for you than it will for me. You're going to see all the products listed. Okay, it probably will look different. I have no idea because I can't see your side. Then you guys are going to click one of these links. Here it comes. Here it is. And done. That's how you do it. Everybody got that? Are we all set now? Does everybody see it in the Traders Lounge? Yep. Does that make it easy? It will. Like I said, I'm an owner, so it's going to look complete. The links and stuff won't look like that, right? How is this so complicated? Affiliates? And I'm not saying to you guys, I'm saying to WAP. Why is this so freaking hard? Affiliates? Refer buyers. Did everybody click refer buyers? It's on the... Bruno, I don't understand. Any moderator in the room with access to any of this, is there screenshots? What are we looking at? You know what? Hold on. What's that? Wait, right there. Everybody, do you see it? It's on the very top. It says dashboard, refer buyers. Nana, do you see it? What do you see? Yeah, are you signed in? No. You're not in the right spot. That's not the right spot, Nana. Nope. 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 That's not the right spot. Look to the left, all the way on the very left. It's to the left of terms of service. Do you see the little ticket symbol? Remember I said you have to click, it looks like a movie ticket, right? Okay, now on the top it should say dashboard, refer buyers. Click refer buyers. Now you should see below in the company says American Dream Trading LLC view assets on the right. Click the button. Now you should see all of the assets. And if you look next to the affiliate links, there's a little copy button. See them? So whichever one you guys want to give somebody, click it. Yep. All right. Sorry it's so complicated. I wish it wasn't. There should be like, just here's the thing. Sorry. The way we have to do this, just so everybody knows, the reason we have to do it this way is because it links you to them and it's different so that it knows how the money is going to get back to you, right? So it's not like a blanket affiliate account because that would not have any idea where to go, right? So this is specific and specially for you. So if they use your link, you get the money. And just so all of you know, if they don't use your link, if they're like, oh, well, I just clicked on a site and I did a thing, you can't get it. It doesn't work. They have to click the link you send them. If your friend doesn't know how to click a link, they should probably pack up their computer anyways and stay off the interwebs because it's not 1984. Okay. Thank you. So this is how it works. Click that thing, click the copy, email it to all your buddies. Hey, last chance diamond today. Go get it. Get on your Facebook. Hey, last chance. Diamond lifetime membership right here. Hey, make sense? Great. Don't forget when you guys all rent out or lease all of your billboards that you're all doing that you're all doing out there and you're posting your codes, you can do the same thing. You can put your little QR codes up there. You guys know you can copy that link, create a QR code, put it up on your billboard, and now everybody driving to work that scans your code, you're going to get the affiliate account. You know all those free business cards that we showed all of you how to get free business cards with your code? Everybody knows we do that, right? Everybody in the room, because you were all so excited to make millions of dollars that everybody was chomping at the bit. Coach, I need information. Coach, how do we do it? Coach, show me. Coach, do that. Now you know. We've been doing this for years for you. And I bet you everybody in this room doesn't know that we do that and don't know how to do it because you've never asked, right? Am I right or wrong? How many of you have printed out the free business cards to hand out so you guys can make more than your 9-to-5 jobs, results not guaranteed, legal, all the things? How many of you have done that already? Anybody? Has anybody done that yet? Who's got the business cards that we show you how to print for free yet? How do they look? They look good? Are you handing them out everywhere you go? Every chance? Are you putting them in your goodie grab bags? Are you working at a convention area and you're slapping those things in there? They're free anyways, and you just go blink. And now you're making tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Results not guaranteed. Legal. Is anybody doing that? I talk about it all the time. I don't know what the hell are you guys doing in here? It's like, I don't know. I'm just gonna hang out. And the coach says how to make more money than my 9-to-5 job, but I don't give a shit. I'm gonna do what I want to do and complain about I don't have no monies. That's a good song. Somebody clip that. That's a beautiful song. Am I right? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. That's nice. That's okay. Did you go to page? Is there a page 2? Oh, okay. Okay. So if you give, but if you give them if you give them the diamond link, it gives them all of them, right? Because they get to choose, right? Yes. Yep. There you go. Does that make sense? Sorry about the confusion. So if you guys are trying to give them the diamond lifetime, just anything that the one that says diamond will give them the opportunity to buy any of those. Does that make sense, gang? Oh gosh, that's the one I would use. Oh yeah, okay. That's the one I would use. Okay, see, I didn't even know that. You gang, if you go to page 2, does everybody go to page 2? There's one that says company. It's the last one. That's the link you want to give them. That's the money ticket. Yeah, that's the one because that's everything. So that'll take them to our WAP sign up page that has all of our products listed and they can choose what they want. That's the one you should be using, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? If you wanted to be more specific, they're like, well, I don't want any of that. I just want the diamond. Send them the diamond. If you want to send it on my billboard, though, it would be that company one. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Your card, that company one. Right? That's the one you want to give them because that's everything. I'm glad you said that. See, I didn't know because I haven't been in here. I'm not sharing it out. We've got videos for it. Yep. Oh, nice. There you go. Beautiful. Dubs says, I didn't know about the free business cards. Can you review it? Yeah, if you go up to where it says affiliate program, it's in there. Click the affiliate program button. Done. Great. It's been there for years, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. Right. So anyways, it's all out there. I think as it stands right now, could be wrong. Hold on, I'll tell you what it's. Hold on. Let me see if I can pull it up. Hold on a second. Is it payouts? No. Affiliates. Yeah, we'll talk about it, partner. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, hold on. Yes, that would be correct. All right, I can't do the math on the mathing of this, but it shows that we've paid out like over $100,000 or something. There was a spot. Hold on. Anyways, we paid out a ton of money. Anybody in here making any money off the affiliates? Thank you. Now, if memory serves me right and we bounced around in the way that it works and how it didn't, Bruno, isn't it 10% for life as long as they keep renewing the product? That's insane. Come on. Come on. That's ridiculous. That'd be my full-time job. All of you, listen, all of you stay-at-home moms and dads, do we have any stay-at-home moms and dads in the room that are always like, well, how can I make more money? And you guys are like trying to trick out Amway and Avon and Tupperware and bullshit. Do I have any of those people in here? I know you're in here. Right? Where are my Door Dashers? Where are you all at? Right? Are you guys serious? This is all I would be doing. Did you guys know that you can use AI to generate messages you can post on forums and put in your codes? And then when people go to review American Dream Trading, they're actually clicking your link. Did I say that out loud on the internet to show you how to change your life? Did I do that or no? I think I did. Did I say that out loud or no? Oh, okay. I thought I did. That's weird. Did you guys know that every web version of review products that you guys all click on is their affiliate link? They'll go, these are the 8 reasons why I like American Dream Trading. And the last one is their link that sends them back and they make all the money. I know, but I'm serious. You guys do all know this, right? You know what? You know what I should do? What if I put on a workshop class for that? I say that now and 6 people will show up. So I don't know. Nobody really wants to make money. Am I right? You guys like the idea of it, but how many of you are willing to like click 3 buttons to like make more money than your 9-to-5 job? You know what I'm saying though? Like, do I want to put in all the time? Like, I can't even get people to click the button. I know, it's crazy. Maybe we will. I mean, there's so many. What's that? Oh, there you go. Did you guys hear? Did everybody in the room hear that? Yes or no? Okay, great. You know what's, yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, it'd be the same. It'd be the same thing, and then I can, we can give you ideas, how to do it, what it looks like, where to click to get a QR code, so you guys can put it on your merch, put it on your billboards. You guys all know that you can right now from your phone rent a billboard space in Town Square, right in New York City. 100%, right? I mean, there's so many cool things you guys can be doing that, free flyers, handouts. Like I said, the best things to do, especially when you go to those junkets. Now, listen, some of you are a part of different organizations. Chamber of Commerce, right? Church, group committees, subcommittees, education boards. You know how they always have if you've been a part, like I used to have a hospitality committee that I started, right? We had like 187 different companies in it. Listen, it's a beautiful marketing, by the way. I used to market all my networking and computer stores. What would I do? I drop in the information in the little goodie grab bag. Do you know how when you guys go to sit down and you have a bag in front of you with all the free stuff? Your card would be in it, or your flyer would be in it. Want to learn how to day trade? Want to get more out of your investments? Ever bet, right? And then your code. Not gamble. Don't do that. Yeah. Thank you. Yep. Thank you. Wrong words. Yeah. We don't want to gamble in here. Right. But does everybody, do you understand what I'm saying? My gosh, people. You want to get them to stop, by the way, put a big old stop sign. This is what we used to do. Listen, and you can take this and you can use this, but this used to be one of the greatest ways that I would close these super multi-million dollar contracts is by doing this. On the very top would be a stop sign. Underneath it, did you know that 80% of all companies that lose their data backup system will be bankrupt within 24 months? Call me. That's it. Done. Done. Am I right? That's it. What if you guys did that? Stop sign. Do you want to create a new path for yourself so you're not stuck doing your 9-to-5 job? QR code. That's it. It's not hard, gang. I don't know what it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Do the things, click the stuff, choppy chop. If we have enough interest in that, because it would literally take, well, all right. Anyways, all right, I'll stop talking about how to get you guys money. But do the things, click the buttons, do the stuff. Do you guys see what I mean, though? Nobody really gives a shit. Everybody, literally everybody in the room will just get glazed over when I talk about how to make a shitload of money. I have people in here making thousands of dollars doing what I'm doing, but if you don't want to, just sit there. Sit there still wondering. You guys realize with those 3 cards is more than the raise you will get at your company for 2 years, right? Okay. You guys do know that my platinum plan coming out on Monday is $5,000 a year. Everybody in the room, how much is that per year, per person you refer that clicks your link? How much will you make immediately and every year thereafter they renew? Tell me now. $500. Sell 10 of them. Are you going to get a $5,000 raise this year at your job? I bet you won't. Anybody in the room? Okay, now you understand the power of what we're doing in here, right? Okay, great. That's nice. I know. They're all like, SPY is a triple top. I'm going to make another $63, though. I don't give a shit. I don't care, coach. I'm not clicking like on your stuff. I'm not subscribing to your videos. I'm not telling anybody about you. I'm making millions of dollars and I don't give a shit. It's about me, me, me. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Yep. It's very cool. I used to refer those a lot for startup companies. Right, Vistaprint and all these other companies, they'll do free cards, right? If you're starting a new business type of thing. You go and they'll give you like 50 or 100 cards for free. They want to lock you into next time you order, you're going to order from them, right? You do the same thing with this. It's free, gang. I don't know, man. I don't know. We tried to do all sorts of stuff. We had higher percentages. We were doing we were trying to like give bonuses on people that sold the most stuff. If you guys remember, I was posting every day in the Traders Lounge who had the highest affiliate payouts. Do you guys remember me doing all this? And it was like echo, just like in the void of, it was just in the void of, we don't want to make money, coach. Okay. Check it out. Do the things. Listen, it pays. Here, hold on. Let me show you something. Let me show you somebody who made like $100 million in a single day doing this, right? Let me show you. Here you go. Hold on. If I can get this. No, I don't want this on my screen. Hold on. Hold on just a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on just a minute. If I can get just, okay, can I get this to just show up though? That'd be, hold on. I got a new reader coming today, by the way. I think I told you guys. You know what that means. Everybody, you know what that means, right? I'm gonna have these up for sale. I got a bunch of stuff coming. All right, I cannot even get the page up. Sorry, this is a different. Yes, the Color Soft Color Scribe. Yeah, I've got the regular one and I've got all the Remarkables and the Pros. Today, though, yes, the Kindle Scribe Color Soft is coming, which is going to be amazing, right? This is the regular one, by the way. This is what I was trying to show you guys is the 100 Million Money Models by Alex Hormozy, which is awesome. Love that guy. But anyways, he's not scared to talk about his business. As a matter of fact, they did the which is thank you, which is really weird, by the way, that he had the Guinness Book of World Records for the most amount of books sold in a single day, which is weird because he didn't sell books. I still don't know how the hell that happened, but the weirdest thing that's ever happened on the internet in my lifetime. They gave him a Guinness Book of World Records for selling the most books, but he was selling memberships that gave his books away for free. So if you bought a $5,000 membership, he would give you 100 books for free. I don't, I still can't wrap my head around it. He didn't sell any books at all. I still can't wrap my head around that idea, but whatever. It worked. He sold $100 million worth of his services and then said that he sold his books. Am I right? Do the things, gang. It's not hard. Anyways, where are we at? We're at 10:48. It's Friday. Okay, how about this? Brad, you got your hand up, and then we're going to check the diamonds to see if anybody's going to spin our largest wheel of cash today that we've ever done here before. Brad, go ahead. Let's see if we're going to spin the wheel or not. Brad, go. Oh, awesome. Yes. Yeah. Right. Yeah, absolutely. That's awesome. Do you see, though, the way that we designed it is more about risk management, the emotional side, right? How you're feeling, what the trades are, instead of like, a sophisticated, like I got in and I got out and I made 12 cents and that has nothing to do with it, right? I mean, you can get crazy, you can journal all that, but this is more about mindset, risk management, controlling your emotions, putting you in the driver's seat to be able to learn how to be a more profitable trader, right? That was the idea behind the whole thing. Do you guys see why it took so long, by the way? Because we kept critiquing it, changing it, and then it got so big we couldn't I was like, man, we can't even, there's so many pages. We had to take out so many pages just so you guys could actually get it because it was huge. There was so many things we had to do to make it right so everybody could use it. But I'm so glad. Thank you, Brad. Is anybody else finding success using the American Dream Trading Journal? By the way, that's half off today, and today only is the last day you can get it for half off. Is anybody else using it? That's awesome. Thank you, man. And by the way, our team did such a great job. Miranda, Arlo, right on everybody that was like, we had so many people working on that and then testing it and then making sure it was right. And then, right, like all the stuff and our own moderators were testing it. And then, of course, then mean old coach would come in and I'd be like, I don't like it. I'd say we got to change all this. Like I don't like the font. I don't like where this is at. This link doesn't. I'd come in and just like we got to change it and change it and change it and change it. And we did it a lot. And then when we got the final product, I was like, I don't like it. And then we made some more tweaks. uh, so yes. Yeah, so that's the thing. It's the way you import it into your iPad because if it doesn't import as a PDF, but if it thinks you're trying to trying to edit the actual PDF that it is, the passcode is ours. Right? That's what allows us to edit and make changes. So if we're putting it into the iPad, you have to do it in a very specific way for iPad. It's a little bit different than these because you want to put it into like a PDF editor, GoodNotes, Bear, Notable. There's a certain way you're going to have to do it where it doesn't ask for the password because, again, it thinks you're trying to edit it. Yeah, you want it as the actual PDF that you hand write on. And once you do it in that format, it won't try to do that. It thinks you're just trying to edit the actual document. Same. Yeah, it'll work once you edit it. If you put it into like PDF editor, it will work. Yep. Yep. Yeah. And I think that's the only caveat we found are the iPads is a little funky about how it uses it. So when you do it, let us know and we'll post it for everybody else. Okay. Cause iPad's the only thing that's kind of funky. Everything else just goes in as a PDF and you can handwrite over it. You know what I mean? It's just because we have a lot of people that are typing into it because we had people with issues like, well, the font changes. So what happens is when you're typing in the cell, the font like slowly decreases in size because it's trying to fit in the cell. So what you can do is you can just go to the next cell and start typing again because it's trying to squeeze it into the cell, right? Little weird things. So, well, and that was the design is it was supposed to stay in that cell. Yes, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, you guys remember when I programmed it into that app? So we actually did, and I have it out there. We didn't publish it for anybody, but I actually have that version in a web application that I created that allows you to manually input that data and it updates on its own and stuff. It was when we first started creating all of it, and I was like, hey, let's see what we can do. And I'm not a programmer by any means, but I can use AI just like everybody else, right? And I was like, hey, let's figure this out and how it works and what it does and inputting and outputting and, all the changes. And so, yeah. I also have that we have not released, and I don't know when or if we will, a super, and I don't want to say complicated, but it is for my super statistical nerds in the room, the largest Excel spreadsheet you've seen that updates things on the fly, like today's things you've done and gives you a forecast for the week and it automatically inputs charts for the month. Like it's a big one. And I didn't want to overload the system, make it complicated because as you guys know, everything we do here, right, we try to keep it simple and stupid so that all of us have the ability to work with it, right? And just because we try to keep it simple and stupid, my kiss that you guys will hear from other people in here, that's the same way I coach football, doesn't mean it's basic, generic, or not for expert users. It just means we want to get it to a level where everybody can use it, right? It's kind of like my 2-minute EWO strategy. It's the same thing. It's KISS. We keep it as simple and as stupid as we can so we can all use it, right? It doesn't mean it's not any good because you guys can see people are literally making millions and millions and millions of dollars. So don't get it twisted. Well, that can't be good if it's easy. That's not it at all. It just comes from 3 decades of training people on all sorts of different things that I understand that it doesn't need to be complicated and convoluted and to try to make us look intelligent saying the things. That's why we don't do it in here. It's the same way with my training. You guys don't hear me using a bunch of fancy buzzwords to try to sell you a Discord, right? It shouldn't be all that. It's not all that, right? You'll never hear all that trash out of my mouth. We don't need it. We've done hundreds of millions in profits without all the excess noise. So we want to do the same thing with everything that we do here, right? Now, if you guys are in like mentorship programs and you're asking very sophisticated things, and then some of it will be harder to learn. But I feel like as long as we can train and educate it, though, in a fashion where everybody can understand, then we can take those very hard expertise style things that we train you on, and we can make it so anybody can learn. My philosophy has been and always will be, I can train anybody to do anything as long as I'm great at it. I have no problem with that. That's been my job my whole life. I can train all of you to literally do anything, right? If you were sitting across the room from me, anything, I don't care what it is. I should be able to train you on it. That is the difference between a good trainer or not. If they cannot explain it to you at your level, you will never get it, right? They should be able to break it down, and it's different for everybody in the room. Me explaining it to Maria, I'm going to explain it differently than I would to Hudson. Or I have to come into the middle of it and make sure that no matter where you are, you can understand it. Does that make sense, everybody in the room? This is why we are so different. I meet you where you are. You don't have to join, up here. I meet you where you are, right? Okay, great. Thank you. That's why no question is too stupid. Nothing right? There's no such thing. And I know people say that, but there really isn't, because everybody's at a different place at a different time. So, yes. Yeah, I know. That's awesome. So anyways, I appreciate it. Hershey, got your hand up again. Go ahead. Well, you're already doing that, partner. So there's phases that you all have to go through. Number one, mechanics. You have to know how to buy and sell. Number two, you have to understand what you are buying and selling. What delta should I be at? How far in the money should I be? How long am I holding it for? Then I have to understand the charts. Remember, options is the hardest thing everybody in the room you can trade. You never start with options at all, ever, Hirsch. So everybody in the room, if you have never started with real money, you should not be touching options. That is not for any of you ever, and you just get away from it. So if you're like, well, I'm about to begin a cash account. You aren't about to begin with an options account. It's too complicated. It's too hard. It needs to be, when I buy Apple for $254.75, did it go up and how much? Times that by how many shares I had. I sell it. That's how much I made. That's it. Do you see how we get rid of all that? You need to know everything. If you're going to trade options, you better be the best trader in the world. Yep. Sure. Okay. Yep. Yeah. That's just a paper account. Yep. Yeah, that's just a paper account. I got you. Yep. Absolutely. Yep. Absolutely. You didn't shoot me a message. You mean you opened up a help desk ticket? I don't get messages, so you didn't shoot me one. Yeah, if you don't open up a help desk ticket, I can't even see it. I don't have messages turned on. There's no such thing. We don't send messages. So if you didn't open up a help desk ticket, I'll never see it. And you're probably talking to some flim flam skim scammy. I guarantee you're about to talk to a fake coach and he's going to try to sell you crypto something. I promise you that's what's happening. I promise you. If any of you guys have tried to direct message me, you are now talking to a scammer. Good luck. We don't do direct messages. Okay. Again, if it's not in a ticket, I never saw it and it never existed. Callie, go ahead. Callie, you got your hand up. Go ahead. No worries. Oh, you mean where do you download it from? So anybody that's buying it this second, as soon as you click on it, it will take you to a WAP link where you click download immediately. It will immediately take you to a link to download it. If you don't have it, Callie, right now, if you go over to the ADT Trading Journal channel, head over there right now. We have a link right here, and I'll repost it again. Click this link, because if you already paid for it and you click that link, that'll take you to your app. So everybody that buys it, it will immediately take you into WAP. It'll say, these are your products. Here's the download. Ding. Okay. There you go. And if you have a problem, open up a help desk ticket. Thank you. You're very welcome. Tell me. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. That's crazy. That's amazing, actually. Love it. Yup. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Very cool. That's pretty rare. So that's really amazing. Very cool. All right, listen up, gang. Looks like we do not have to worry about spinning the wheel of cash. Okay. What I'll do though, I was hoping we could spin the wheel today. That would have been fun because we've never done a cash prize that big. That would have been awesome, but it is what it is. Everybody that's in the room, I appreciate you. You guys can scoop up. Oh, hold on. Do you think I'm cooked? I bought 285 calls for Apple expiring February 13th. Oh, you're 100% cooked no matter what. You're cooked the second you did that, Colonel Bob over on TikTok, because that's not a rule that we have. You must be newer here. I apologize that you were gonna about to get your face wrecked by not being here, because everybody in this room knows the only way you would ever buy an option to hold overnight is to have it for what is the minimum amount of days, everybody in the room? 90. And that's the smallest. I'd recommend you go as far out as you can. Get the 2-year, get the 2.5-year. But coach, I'm only going to hold it overnight. I don't care. What if there's bad news overnight? What are you going to do now? Now you have no time to, right? You're scrambling, right? So yeah, if you bought any option and it expires in 2 weeks, you are smoked. You're going to get destroyed. Every single day you wake up, it's going to get wrecked. Guess what's going to happen on Monday because of time decay? You're going to get destroyed again on Monday. Every day you wake up, you're going to lose value on those options. Every single day you wake up, you will lose more every day on those options, even if the stock price goes up. Up to X amount, right? Obviously, if it climbs higher than the amount of time decay you're losing per day. And then here's the real kicker. This is the one that'll kick you right in the pants. Are you ready? If you buy for the same week expiration, every day you wake up, you're going to lose between 15 to 20% of all of your money every single day you wake up. So think about this. If you bought Apple and it was up today, if your options were up 20% today, you're like, yeah, and you close out. And Apple, even if Apple opens at the exact same price it was yesterday when you were up 20%, you just lost all that money. Now let's say the next day, right? Let's say the next day we're and you didn't make anything, but you're like, well, I'm okay. Apple stayed the same. It's at the exact same penny. You wake up the next day, Apple opens up the exact same penny that it closed, and yesterday you were fine. You were at 0% win, 0% loss. You wake up, you just lost 20%. Time decay. Every day you will lose money. Every single day you hold on to those. If you do not buy out far enough, you will get wrecked. That is the face ripper. Does that make sense, everybody? We all on the same page? Do you understand how important it is? Why I have the rules that I have in place? And it is 90 plus days. I try to get you to hold it, get out as far as you possibly can. As far as you can possibly get them. If I'm going to buy Apple overnight, I'm buying 2.5 years out if it lets me. Yes, of course I'll pay more though, right? For a premium. I don't care. Remember, with options, you're buying time. Because guess what? You could just buy the share. If you bought a share of Apple and it has bad news, you could hold it for 35 years until it recovers. You don't have that. You do not have that ability with options. Once you get to your expiration date, they turn to dust. If you spent $10,000 on Apple options and your expiration is February 13th, 2 to 3 days before it, even if Apple was the same, you've already lost 80 to 90%. You've already lost $8,000 to $9,000, even if the stock price never moved, just because you're holding it. And then you're like, yeah, I hope they have a big rally on Friday. You know how much it would have to rally for you to get back 90% of its value in the same day while time decay is going against you, and super fast the last day? Afternoon? Are you kidding? Do you know how much Apple would have to go up on that day alone for you to recover? I see so many people like, well, I got one more day. You're going to get wrecked. You are doomed. You just listen, if you ever want to do that again, make those checks out to American Dream Trading, LLC. Right? Just write the $10,000 check on it. Okay? Write it right on there. Gift to Coach, because I'm going to piss this money away because I don't listen to shit. And put that on the back. If it doesn't fit the whole thing, I'm going to give this to Coach because he's such an amazing man who's trying to help us and is giving us the exact rules. But I don't want to follow those rules, this is my first time I've been here, so I don't really know what the rules are. But I'm going to go ahead and write this check for you anyways. Flip it over. And I really appreciate everything you do and all of the moderators and all of the stuff that you guys do. But I want to donate and gift this to you because I'm not following the rules and I know that I'm going to lose this money. And thanks, Coach. Now, if you need to replay this will be on the YouTube channel. You guys can go back tomorrow if you need to know what to write on the check. verbatim. Make sure you write the whole thing out. And we'll get you squared away. Thank you. There you go. It's called You Are Going to Go Broke on those gamble lottos. We call those lottos, by the way. No, you cannot just roll up. Somebody said just roll up the option. User 6783214680065 says roll up the option. That is the dumbest thing. Hold on. I need a sign. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm going to get a sign from now. I'll probably get canceled though if I hold up that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. I'm going to hold up a fictitious sign so that I don't get canceled. Hold on. From a fictitious user account that doesn't even have a name. Here it is. That is the dumbest thing I have ever heard. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly. Yeah, that's just dumb. So everybody, please stop. Stop the nonsense. Stop it. Anybody else have any bright ideas? Don't worry, I'm going to bust out the little Jesus before I go. Right? Just because I tell you got a dumb idea doesn't mean you're not going to get blessed with Jesus today. Because, hey, we've all had some dumb ideas. Probably not that dumb. But it could be. I don't know. By the way, did everybody catch that perfect drum sync right there? Did anybody catch that? Thank you. I appreciate you. Yeah, I even had to go from the Stream Deck to back over here, back into the air, and properly hit them. Thank you. We do this for you, ladies and gentlemen. We do this all for you. Like, this guy is terrible. Like, I'm going to go back to the cat lady. At least she'll sell me a course that I can buy. Appreciate you. Maria says dunce hat. Nice. Can I put in the donkey sound? 100%. Anyways, listen, it's getting late in the day. I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you so much. Did anybody make any money or learn anything this week? Good. Good job. Good job. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Tell me, talk to me. Oh my gosh, dude, what the heck, man? Oh my gosh. Everybody in the room, how would you like to make 40 or 50% of your total account value in a week? Sign me up, brother. Let me get that diamond. That's awesome. Nice job. Proud of you, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love that idea, actually. Thank you. Yeah. We'll put you right on the top of the list. Yeah, we've been trying to get Maria out of here for a long time anyways, so. Wait. James, hold on. James isn't here today. James isn't here. We've been trying to get rid of James since the day we brought him on, so we'll Yeah. Oh, I should have picked somebody who wasn't here. Damn it. Sorry, Maria. That slipped out. My bad. I don't know. My bad. I don't know what happened. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Maria's like, at least I know where I stand, right? And we're like, here's the door. Stand on the other side of it. He said, wow. Did you hear that? Wow. I'm just... She is. She's amazing. Richard, I told you. Richard sent. Listen, there's a teleprompter that popped up out of thin air. It just went. It popped up and it said, "Coach, you must say these words ASAP." I didn't even read it. It was the same thing like that person telling me just go ahead and roll over some weak ass options that you're going to lose all your money on. I just read it. I just blindly followed it, right? Richard, I told you about that. Mm, yes. Yes, that's awesome. Yes. 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 That's right. Taco Tuesday for Richards. That's right. Yeah, it's awesome. We do have an amazing staff, by the way. Maria's not as bad as what Richard was saying. She's actually very talented, smart, intelligent, and beautiful. So all the things that you're hearing from Richard, talking negatively about one of our other amazing training moderators, it's just not factual. So I'm going to go on record on that. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna go on record and say that I'm calling bullshit on everything Richard said about it. So, but anyways, love your faces. I appreciate you all being here. Hopefully we had a good time. I know it was Friday. We got a little off topic, but whatever. It was the last Diamond Day. Appreciate all Diamond members. And I'm going to tell you exactly how many Diamond members were able to get into this. I'm going to tell you if I can find it. Unless Bruno can pull it up. Do you know how many Diamond members we have, Bruno? And I know I'm going to, we have one confirmed, one in the queue, and one possible. So, whatever. It's all right. Yeah, it's all right. I'd rather they were on a platinum program for 5,000 a year than 5,000 forever. And they don't have access to American Dream Trading Academy. Yeah, exactly. I know, right? Yeah. So it's all right. It's okay. It actually, yeah. So I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. I don't have that number in front of me. I wish. Oh, wait a minute. Is this right? That's not right. I know it's higher than that. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Awesome. Thank you, Miranda. Um, yes, go ahead. Mm-hmm. Yes. Right. Right. Correct. Yeah, it's wild. I know. It doesn't make sense. I appreciate it. Thank you for reminding me of what a dumb thing that was that I did. Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks a lot, man. I'm out. Pew! Go ahead and shut those doors. I got mine. You shut here. Let me help you. Let me help you close those doors. Thank you. Right. So, all right. So, This is exactly how many diamond members that we have. There's 538. 538. And the funny thing is, you can ask the moderators, when I did it, I was going to do it for 100 people just to fill the rooms with 100 bodies. 100 warm bodies is what I wanted so that the halls wouldn't be echoing. Like if I go, hey, crypto, be like, oh, there's nobody there. Well, guess what? If you're diamond members, you're everywhere. So the idea behind it, because I know Coach thinks of this stuff, right? is the halls would never be empty because you are forever in the rooms, right? So every new product that I have, hence why diamond members, I said any membership today and any memberships in the futures. Haven't I said that? Right? It was so any new membership that I get, the halls are filled. Think about it. If I come up with some new thing, Coach's millionaire room of doom, whatever the hell it is, right? 538 people immediately have access. It immediately creates a buzz. There's immediate people in the room, which will help, right? Move the room, move the services, move the products. Was I going to leave it open for 538 people and literally lost out? I think last count Bruno said was about $6.5 million. No, I wasn't planning on doing that. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Johan, I'm very proud of you, man. Good job. Yes. That's incredible. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Yep. Sebastian says, yeah. Sebastian on TikTok says, always trying to sell stuff, membership or whatever, red flags. Here, Sebastian, let me help you out. I'm going to block you forever. You don't even need to be here. I don't care. Listen, here's one thing you will learn about business real quick. If you are not sick of hearing yourself talking about it, selling it, producing it, creating it, selling it, you are the worst shit ass owner dog crap on the planet. There's a reason why you are a failure as a business owner. It is my job to tell all of you about what we do. Some days like today, I've talked about it. Other days, you're literally going to get the 5-minute intro and something at the end. That's business. Today, I talked about it a little bit more because today's the last day you can get it, right? That's it. That's why we spent so much time on it. But if I'm not talking about it and if I'm not blue in the face and if I don't hate hearing myself say it all the time, then I'm not doing a good job. As a salesperson, which I am, I'm your trainer, but I'm also a salesperson. Why do you think you're all here 25,000 members later? If I didn't talk about it, you wouldn't be here, right? Johan wouldn't have made $100,000 if Coach wasn't talking about the damn products and services he has today. Right? It's just par for the course. So some days you're going to get the sales guys. Some days you'll hear it more. Some days you'll hear it less. Sometimes we'll have cool sales. Sometimes we'll have flash stuff. Gang, it's a business. Go in any store anywhere and try not to see a coupon. Try not to see a, red day sale. Try not to go on TV where there's an advertisement for it, right? Because the rule is it's got to be 36 times you have to see and or hear it before you'll even decide to make a buying purchase. There's so many things to this. So yes, we're going to talk about it every day. I am going to tell you exactly what we do every day. I'm going to give you the same sales lines. Hopefully I just get a little bit more creative, a little more excited and all the things every single day until you are all retired from your shitty 9-to-5 jobs, until you're all millionaires, or until I've changed all your life. Results not guaranteed. Read the fine print. 90 to 95% of all traders will lose their money and will not stick around and do the things legal and all the stuff. But I tell you what, when everybody in this room and all 25,000 members have retired and you're all millionaires, I'll shut up. Do we got a deal on that? How's that? Is that a good deal? I'll stop talking about it when all 25,000 members have all retired from your 9-to-5 jobs and you're all making millions of dollars. I'll shut up about it. Until then, shut your lip, because you're still going to hear it every day. That's my job. This is what puts, right, food on the table for us, right? So while I'm over here making Johan $100,000 and other people that are in the room doing the things that you're doing, I get paid to train you. So every time you guys click buy, that's how I get paid. There's no other way, right? Hundreds of millions in profits, and I get paid when you click buy. Can you believe it, right? It's crazy, right? Alex over here, who sold a bunch of services, to say he gave away, or to say he sold a bunch of books. I mean, I have the book. I bought it in audio and the book. I didn't buy his $5,000 membership to get 100 free books that I could then give to everybody else, which is marketing genius, by the way. But technically, he really didn't sell the books, but that's another story. But I bought it because he talks about it. You have to talk about it. By the way, there's amazing ideas in here. And the funny thing is, if you guys have read this book, almost every single thing that he wrote, we do. Literally. And I'm just getting into it. I'm on like page 17. Every single thing so far in this book, there's like, well, a little bit farther than that, because he's gone through 3 of his mentors. Every single thing in this book is what we do here. Everything. It's because I've been doing this my whole life. So this could have been my book. Everything we do here. And we're the only ones, by the way, that do all of these things, because every time we talk to our representative or anybody in the WAP space, because we are the largest seller on the platform and always have been, they're like, you guys are doing what? They are literally recreating their store and everything they do to accommodate us, which then everybody else gets to use it. I don't know if you guys have known that or not. WAP is one of the largest selling marketplaces now on the internet, and they have continuously tried to keep up with American Dream Trading. Moderators, am I right or wrong? Okay, thank you. Holy. Oh my God. Yeah, they're like, yeah, coach, you lost us 2 hours ago and you should have left the room. They're like, bye. Right. So anyways, and we have worked with them. We have spent hundreds of hours working with that marketplace. And that is on my dime, just so everybody knows. I have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars for WAP to get to where it is today. And I'm serious. And I think today they just recorded that they've done, was it over 1.5 billion in sales? Right? We've done so much work with them. Oh, and by the way, and they gave me a plaque for it when we hit like our first million. And then I got like a cootery board. Right? Like, thanks, man. But anyways, long story long, we are always working to make everything better for all of you on a daily, consistent basis. Next week, we're going to try with the launch of Platinum. Oh, new member just signed up. Oh, LG, I see it. Just got a Diamond Lifetime membership. We are going to try next week to release the Trading View indicators that go hand in hand with the Platinum program. Now listen, before everybody gets angry, well, Platinum is amazing too. The only difference, if you were like, well, what's the difference? The only difference between Platinum and Diamond, you get everything forever. American Dream Trading Academy, you get it. I create a new service, you get it. Platinum, you will get only the services we have today. It will exclude everything else. Does that make sense? That's the only difference. Diamond members, and that's why I had to stop, because I'm like, well, what if I create 15 new programs? 538 of you get it, all of it, right? That American Dream Trading Academy I'm going to release, that's $2,500 a year. You get it. So for half the cost of your membership, some of you, today, if you guys buy it for $4,000, That means the first year, right, is $1,500 difference. You see what I'm saying? Platinum will have to do it. But guess what? You should anyways. And if you think $416 is a lot, which is what the platinum annual breaks down to, you're crazy. What we do in this room, you realize at that price, I mean, that's going to be my sales price. That's not going to stay that way. But you realize that that platinum price is cheaper than if you bought the VIP Gold Complete for a year. And this gets you access to everything. VIP Gold Complete does not. You don't get futures. You don't get crypto. You don't get any of the extra goodies. So I'm telling you, if you're like, oh, that's not good, it's an amazing, amazing freaking program. Do you know if you each individual program you buy is $2,500 a year? VIP, $2,500 a year. Gold, $2,500 a year. Crypto, $2,500 a year. Well, crypto might be different. Futures, $2,500 a year. Futures VIP, $2,500 a year. Futures VIP Gold, $2,500 a year. Do you understand? And now imagine each one of those is $5,000 if you buy a lifetime for each one. You do know this, right? It's $5,000 for each program, lifetime. Today, you can get everything, which is over $70,000 worth of products and services today for $4,000. I'm out. Love your faces. I want to say thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. And Scott, I'm seeing the Air Force up there. Again, thank you for your service. Every time I see that, I love that, man. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Check is in the mail. I appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And I think I saw you scheduled some of our one-on-ones, right? Yep. Good to go. Yep. Yep. I was trying to move some of those out till the end of February, so that should be fine. Now, some of those move sometimes, and if it does, I apologize in advance, but if something comes up, I move them. Don't freak out because I give you guys the same leniency. If anybody's like, oh, can't be here, just say reschedule, right? No big deal. So, yep. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Everybody else in the room, thank you so much. Oh, and by the way, our mystery member, just letting you know, congratulations on your $1 million plus day today, verified with all the screenshots and all the things before you all come at me with your little pitchforks. You verify it. Done. Congratulations to you, by the way. That is $1 million today. I think you did $1 million last week. That's over $22 million so far in profits with us, with a $700 cash account and being here for 3 years. Congratulations.